good. So Scarexx sent me the preset pack. It's really good. It's on his Patreon. Just want to show you guys a preview of it. Auto TT, just for a little bit of post-processing, because you already know. Maybe a little saturator too if I need to boost it. But we will write in, I think, octave 2. Maybe I'll do like a D sharp in octave 2, and then just kind of preview all of the different presets here that are in. This is Scarexx Scar Volume 1 for Serum 2. We got all these. Start with the bass bark. I will add a pitch MIDI effect as well if I need to change the octave as I'm playing it. So if you see this octave thing here, I'll do that, but check it out. Okay, so I got some drums here. We'll go ahead and preview through the Scarexx Scar Volume 1 pack. We'll start with the bass bark. We can listen to the actual bass with the drums. We also can sidechain this, so I'll just add kickstart. We want to do this one right here, sub bass chain. That's real good. Sidechain it to the main kick. Then we'll do it's in. And we can move this a little. Cool. So now let's check out these basses. So I'm happy he sent me this. This is real heavy shit. So we can bust it through real quick. You can look at the LFOs as we're doing this because they're going to control a lot with the movement. And we can mess with some of the knobs to make variations. We have our macros as well, which will help make variations too. So sick. So that's bass bark. Bass distort. Fire. Brutal. This doesn't have a sub with it, but if you added the sub, it'd be dirty. So like, for example, we'll have a big fat sub just in case we need it for some of these. Dripment sub, maybe a D sharp sub like this. And just loop it, maybe saturate it even more. That's cool. Let's keep looking. Keep looking through. We got FX riser. Perfect. We could probably change the ring mod cutoff here. Let's try it. So sick. Glitch 2. So fire. Here it's. This one sounds like we may need multiple notes. So like if I command E, for example, or if I change the grid, command E again. That's cool. We'll keep this over here in case we need the fast ones, because you never know till you know, and we'll keep looking through. Remember, all we have is an OTT right now. You can post-process a lot more if you wanted. Good gun 3. We could probably add some extra saturation on this one and continue to push it with the drive. You can like change notes too, probably with this one, so have it walk down the scale a little. Maybe be doing more walking down the scale. So fun. But for now, we'll just keep it legat. You know, legat. Okay. Keep it moving. That was a very fun one. Good Gun 3. Got Good Gun 4. It's asking me to load these. We do have these they're in the preset pack. You just have to load them. So you should do that. This is going to be fun. We have a lot of macros here to use. So let's go ahead and try these out. Ooh. So far, so cool. We got Good Gun 5, naturally. Subharmonics. Woo! Gas. What else we got? Good Gun 6. Oof. This Combs filter will probably do a lot. We can mess with this too. You know what I'm saying? Good Gun. Subharmonics. You could probably control the length of it here. Not really. Gundraga. Change the size. This one we're going to try the long legato note now. Laser. You can mess with these. You can have them different if you want. Nice. Like that one. We got a lead. Dirty. No sub in that one. We'll have to use our own sub for that so we can add our sub if we need. Know what I mean? It's so sick. Maybe fade the second sub to kind of match the flow. Know what I mean? Turn that sub off. Keep it moving. You know, you just gotta finesse the preset in the way that you find suitable. This may be too high in pitch. I'm gonna get the pitch MIDI effect, pull it down. Change the rate. Pitch. The respace buildup layer. That's real nice. Respace. Now the pitch sounds too low. Let's bring it back. Usually you would want to change the notes with something like this. So we can do some longer sustain notes. Yeah. Just trying all the different octaves. Next, stereo bass. So sick. Remember, we're playing those notes we were just playing. Sub bass. Cool. Big sussy. Let's go up in pitch. Go down. This one, we're just going to do a legato note. Hit it with just one note. D sharp, 2. Pull it back up at the pitch. This is something that you can layer with like the stereo bass, for example, that we just had. So you see you can add the stereo bass. You can turn down the telephone. Kind of like blend 2 of the presets together, which is really good. Really good basses. You can see lots to do with them. Support his Patreon. It'll be in the link below, and you can see and get all these presets. I made a video about making a whole song using the presets too, so watch that. It'll be dope. Otherwise, hit me up if you need anything. Keep it real. Keep making them fire beats. Peace.